All right, guys. So we're here. What's going on, 808 Trader? What's going on, Joey? Nice to see you guys. Nice to see you guys. Hopefully you guys are feeling all right. Let me see. We are, right now, we are doing all right. Doing all right, guys. Hopefully you guys are feeling good today. We've got a couple of streams going on. We got the vertical and we've got the horizontal. So if you guys want to see the horizontal, make sure that you go to our channel and you check out the other one. All right, cool. I think, let's see. Let's see. Awesome, we're good. All right, everything's good. I'm just trying to check all these streams we got going on right now. Awesome. All right, what's the market doing, guys? What's up, Joey? What's going on, guys? MF, what's going on? How you guys doing? Am I missing anybody? Am I missing anyone? Went to go play basketball this morning, and I ripped my back apart. I gotta do something about this back I got. What's up, Alan? All right, let's see what is going on. Let's move on to the NQ. We're on the YM right now. Don't know why I was on the YM. Don't know what I was thinking. All right, market open. We created a little pump level. Let's see if that ends up working or sticking. It's a little early to really look at any trades, but market closed up kind of green on Friday. What's up, Piotr? Do we bounce or dip first? I don't know. What's up, Eagle Eyes? Happy Sunday, guys. Hope your weekend was good. Got the smooth trade indicator, but when I enable CVD, it goes to regular candles. 808 Trader. I think you might have sent me a message. I just got done doing a whole bunch of housework. So 808 Trader, you 808 Trader, can you go over to Discord and then go to the trading room? What's up? Get it out. We might be getting a move to the downside, guys. I think we might be getting a move to the downside here. We're breaking the pump level. We might be getting a little move to the downside. I think I'm gonna put the 100 tick on, the 500 tick. I think I'm gonna put the 1000 tick on over here. Oh, we got a dump level now. We got a dump level now. Let's watch that. Let's watch that. I like the shorts. I'm getting into that dump level. All right. Giving us a little bit of a ripper right now. So she crossed over the pump level and she crossed over the dump level. She's a wild one today. No restraints. No restraints at all. Alright, NQ. What you gonna do? Still trying to set up my charts here. All right, looks like the 5 minutes giving us a power long right now. We had a little bit of absorption, or doji absorption. I don't even know what that. I don't know what Where the body on that doji is. Can you guys tell me where the body on this 5-minute candle is? I can't even tell where it is. I think it's at the close, at Friday's close. All right. Go ahead and sit tight here. Cool, cool. She is a pumping. She is a pumping right now. All right, so we got a pump level now. The dump level has been taken out. They went pump, dump, pump. Is that like a cheat code? It's like up, up, down, down, left, right, left, right. They went pump, dump, pump. Wow. They took out the overnight high that they never took out on Friday. Now they're going to dump this thing. What's going on, guys? What's up, Mar? 808, can you go over there and let me know when you're in the room? She will take your dough. Yes, she will. Piotr, I'm sorry, Piotr. 808 Trader, make sure to go to the Discord. Let me know when you're there. I'm going to go to check out, see if you're in that room right now. Go to the room that says trading room. Under Let's Talk, go to trading room, okay? They finally took out, that's hilarious, guys. They finally took out Friday's overnight high. Finally. That's crazy. I expect them to maybe dump it now. We'll see. We'll see. That's too funny. They finally took that level out. Everybody was waiting for that level on Friday. Now they took it out. That's why I say they're so sneaky. She's so sneaky, guys. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. How should she do that to us? If you guys are watching on mobile and you want to head over to the traditional horizontal, make sure to click on our channel page and go over to the horizontal stream. But if you like it vertical, then stay where you are. Yeah, 5-minute looks strong. Looks like they're probably going to keep pushing. They could possibly keep pushing here. I'd like to see a little move back down to this pump level. We are looking for longs because we do have green wave. May get a pull back into this pump level. And we'll look for a long to blast off. You waiting for your payoff on funding ticks? $900, bro. That's what's up. Congratulations, Vic. You're there now? Okay. Okay, the longs are pretty good. Yeah, longs look pretty good right now. I don't see you in the trading room right now, brother. Are you sure you're in the trading room? You got to go underneath where it says Let's Talk. Go to the trading room. I don't see anybody in there right now. I'm in it right now. Look for the room that has me in it right now. What's up, dumb money? You went long from 731, 745 to 20. Wow. You just subbed to the indicator, Sarah? Oh, you're going to love it. Excited to try it out? Yeah, you're going to love it. What's the gameplay, mate? Right now, I'm looking for a move back into this pump level, and we might get some support here, maybe for a move higher. So we'll see. Guys, give me a minute, okay? I got to help someone out here. What's up, Daniel? Can do me a favor, brother? Can you share your screen? Awesome. Guys, I'm going to pause the music real quick. What's going on, her crown? Pecos, what's up, brother? Yeah, I'm looking for a long. We'll find a long somewhere. There's a share your screen feature at the bottom of your screen right now. It's like a computer with an arrow on it. Yeah, I did that. Then you got to pick the screen you want to share. You're gonna sell at 785 and 865. Okay. What do you think we come back to touch the VWAP? Yeah, I think I'd like to see them touch this VWAP or maybe into this pump zone. That's what I'm thinking. This was Friday's overnight high. They finally took it out. That's hilarious. They just did it now. Just goes to show you, they don't have to do it when we want. They'll do it when they want. Happy to wait? Yeah, I'm waiting too. Bitcoin's been pumping. I have a short that's up big right now. I'm not going to be taking my trade off yet because I think she's still got some room to go lower. She's at 111. She had a blast off in here. I was watching it happen too in real time. I saw the manipulation happen right in here. Right here. You see, guys? You guys see that? Red diamond followed by the very next candle was a bullish absorption candle. Crazy. And it's ripped. No coincidences. No coincidences here. I still think it'll continue down, but we'll see. We might get this move down here to the pump zone. Daniel, can you share your screen, brother? Are you having a hard time?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I think it was just working. I clicked the arrow and share your screen and then just keeps...
Yeah, after you hit the arrow to share your screen, you got to pick the screen you want to share. You may...
Entire screen or devices?
Yeah, anyone, either one. I'm just gonna have to see what you're doing and what your settings look like.
Yeah, I fixed it. No, it's just get that where it's like just pointed circles.
It's not allowing you to share your screen.
Yeah, it's weird.
Okay.
Screen share, third text source.
Sarah says, I'm not seeing the volume indicator on my chart in spite of enabling the high volume setting. Do you know what's going on? Do you consider this the volume? You mean the delta down here? Is this what you're not seeing? I'm thinking, Sarah, that you're referring to this down here as the volume.
I'm gonna try go out, close the app, and then come back in.
Yeah, try that. Try that. I'm still gonna wait in this room for you. Okay. The diamond signals? Okay, this is all you got to do. Just go into the settings, go down here to where it shows these high volume. Make sure they're all checked, and then make sure you click on diamonds instead of bar coloring. Okay? Make sure you click on diamonds instead of bar coloring. All right, see, they're holding this price here. They're holding it. What's the time frame on my chart right now? It's a 1 minute. This is the 1 minute, but I have a 5 minute, and I also have a 15 minute that I keep on my chart as well to kind of see the direction the market wants to head. Right now, I'm thinking market wants to go higher, but we could come back into this zone here. I'd like to long from here. Other than now, just sit, wait, and be patient. Yeah, there you go, Sarah. Easy peasy. It's working now? Okay. Thank you guys for helping her out too. I really appreciate that. Yeah, they're going to pump this thing, man. They're going to pump this thing. Yeah. They're going to pump it, but I'm waiting for this level because they're real sneaky. The way they do things, they're real sneaky. I'd rather wait for a pullback. Remember, I had to be careful with power longing into resistance. This was Friday's resistance, so be careful with that. Previous day's high, we just broke that. Now we're going to go to that high of the session. Daniel, any luck?
No, the thing just keeps working. I don't know what's going on.
All right, so Daniel, now that I have you here on voice, tell me, what is it that you're having a hard time with? What is it?
Okay, so I followed I wanted to make it exactly like yours. So yeah. I followed your process on how, and then you know how when you go to the CVD?
Yeah, let me pull it up right now on YouTube and tell me. Okay, CVD.
Okay, wait, let me open up the YouTube because I just got you on the thing.
You can stay there. You can stay there. I'll just share my screen on Discord.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. So on CVD.
Yeah, and then when I see, you know how it says, see, the thing says, mine didn't have the checks, right? So when I check it,
Mm-hmm.
the candles, everything disappears, and the candles turn to red and green.
Okay.
I just did it right now. Everything turns to red and green, like it's so don't have any of your
Okay.
filters or.
What what trading view subscription do you have?
I got I just bought it today. I bought the. I think about the second one, not the cheapest one.
Yeah, the reason you're not seeing it is probably because you don't have premium. You need to have the minimum of a premium subscription because they don't deliver CVD data to us without premium.
Oh, without premium.
Yeah, so try switching over to premium first and tell me if that fixes it.
Okay, I'll do that.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Bye. All right, back to the party, guys. Back to the party. Let's go, NQ. Gold looks good. Let's see. Let's take a look at gold. What you doing, gold? Anything good? Are they taking out the high from Friday right now? Ooh, man, gold looks really good. Who's got the indicator on right now? Gold looks massively pumpy right now. Wow. Gold, you're a savage, gold. Let's take a paper trade on you. Okay, we got a dump level up here on gold. Got a dump level up here. So let's take off. Let's take off. Let's take off. Sell one there. Let's sell one there. And we'll sell one up here at the top. I'll keep that on there. Wow, NQ's ripping. NQ, slow down. Wait for everybody else. What's up, Kev? You tried telling him, Joey? Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah, gold looks good. I'm just waiting patiently. GC will pump the other way too. Been burned many days, many times. Yeah, she looks really good right now. I'd like to see NQ take a move back down to this area to long her. Are you done, Eagle, for the night? Eagle crushed the trade already. We got some decent volume right now. We had almost a 5 ATR. Everything's ripping. Oh, that sucks, Pecos. You here, Eagle? How was your weekend, Eagle? You fishing? You catch any marlin? The Eagle Beagle. The Eagle Beagle. Waiting on 781 on one of my evals? You're waiting on 781 to what? To short it? You're a savage. We might be able to get this short, I mean the long off of somewhere in here earlier. 71 you'll short? Gotcha. Yeah, sometimes you can't do anything but wait. BTC is on the rip right now. She wants to grab some stop losses. All right, cool. Just checking on checking on my Bitcoin charts, just the ones that are on the 4 hour. The 4 hour looks crazy on Bitcoin right now. The 4 hour on Bitcoin looks crazy. Looks like they are trying to grab some little shorts for sure. Oh, guys, by the way, there is a way for you to set alerts. There is a way for you to set alerts. Really cool. Let me show you this. Now, don't do this on small time frames, but do this on higher time frames. Go to the alert function right here on your right hand side on the chart that looks like an alarm clock. Click on this alert feature and then create a new alert. Once you create the new alert, go to whatever asset you want to trade. Now you got to make sure you're on the time frame. I wouldn't do a 1 minute. I do a higher time frame. Like I have the 4 hour programmed. I have the 4 hour programmed right now. For you go here, you go to Smooth Trader Concepts, you go to Signal, any function call, and then you same as chart if you want it on the 1 minute, but let's just say you want signals on a 5 minute, so you can get alerts on the 5 minute. I'm gonna click 5 minute, and every time and anytime there is a signal on the 5 minute, I want to be alerted. So I just created that. So every time there's a signal on a 5 minute, instead of me missing it, I'll know, because 5 minutes and 15 minute higher time frames, they're very powerful. So if you want to do this on like a 1 hour, 30 minute, anything like that, you can set it up. Now I have alerts set up with Bitcoin on a 4 hour on my indicator. So anytime Bitcoin puts in like a power short, power long, or anything like that on a 4 hour, I'll get alerted and I'll look for a trade. Now see, we just got an alert right now. See, we got an alert. See that bottom left? We just got an alert right now that the NQ on a 5 minute is putting in a power short. As you can see right there, they're putting in a power short. So a short back down to the level we spoke about down here might be in play pretty soon here. I'd like to see that move back down to this level here. On the 5 minute, we did get a bearish absorption. We did get a bearish absorption right here on the 5 minute. And it was a very dumpy looking candle. So we could get that move back down to this area right here. We could get that. Yeah, I like this. I think we can make it past the VWAP, and we can make it into 733 territory, 731 territory. We'll see. All right, if that 5 minute confirms, we have about 3 minutes left to confirm a power short in a 5 minute. And if that happens, we could really push down. Show that again on a 5 minute. On the 5 minute, we have a doji right here, and then we have a power short. But I think you mean how to do an alert. All you got to do is go to your alerts. You can rewind this video too. You can rewind this video. Go to alerts. Go here, pick the asset, pick Smooth Trader Concepts, go to function, any function, and then whatever interval you want, whatever time. So I want to be alerted anytime that something happens on the 5 minute. Because I'm trading on the 1 minute. So I want the 5 minute to tell me if there's anything happening, which I just saw. Because of that alert, I just got alerted that we have a power short developing right now on the 5 minute. We just got alerted of it again because I think it probably came back in. It came back in. You guys can't see it because it's off to the left of my screen, unless I'm not live right now. Yeah, I just got alerted. It's on the bottom left right now. I just got the alert. Yeah, alerts. I'll make a video on it. I might make a short out of it, but I will make a video for you guys. Yeah, I'm currently short right now. I'm waiting for us to get down to this level here to take profits. This level in the 731, 732, 731 area, the daily open. kind of this area in here. I think we can get it. If that power short confirms in the next 1 minute, then things are going to get pretty dumpy. We'll see. Or they could be trapping bulls right now. I'm trapping bears right now, and they'll rip this thing even higher. I think it's bouncing off VWAP. It could, Eagle. It could. It could. I just I'm just trying to see if we can break through VWAP here and grab this level. If I'm wrong, then I'll lose 175 bucks on it. It could also come back up to get my stop and then come down. It doesn't have to happen right this moment. Eight seconds left to confirm this power short. Even though we're having kind of a bull hammer in that 5 minute. Let's see if we get rejected here. Confirm power short. What's going on with BTC? Damn, BTC is just ripping right now. We got another power long on Bitcoin. That's crazy. Bitcoin just wants to rip faces off. No worries, Alan. Okay. Let's see if VWAP stands a chance. Do you stand a chance, VWAP? Do you? Do you, VWAP? Do you really? $727. We might even be able to tap this daily open. It could go to this daily open again. We might get to 731, then get a bounce, and then come back for this daily. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I don't know if it'll break through yet. I think we can get a bounce here at VWAP, obviously, but I think we could also get another bounce here on the 731, 732 range, and then finally tap this daily open. Did we get wrecked on gold yet? Yeah, we're getting wrecked on gold. Nice gold. Thanks for the reckoning. Yeah, she could still bounce a little bit here. Am I long or short? I'm shorting right now into this box, maybe even to the daily open. My stop's at 757. Even though we're in a green wave right now, I think we can get this box. I really want to long from this box right here. Yeah, she's bouncing, Eagle, right off that VWAP. Right off VWAP, she's bouncing. Let's see if she can bring it back down. doing? Bitcoin's ripping. Got a strong candle there. Strong candle. If this candle ends up going and closing above this here, I think it's a wrap. They might continue pushing higher. Well, I really want to get long from down here, but if this ends up giving us a power long signal here, we could be really ripping this thing, taking out this stop. We'll see. Bitcoin ripped, yeah, Mango. It really did. Bitcoin really did rip. We're getting a power long signal here. This thing could be making its move higher. Most likely going to get a power long here. Wow, major absorption. Very, very strong looking. They're going to push this thing higher here probably. Let's see what they do here. Oh, you really? Nice, Eagle. All my favorite colors. Yeah, take care, 808. That's good, man. I'm glad it worked for you. I think that was the ticket. Yeah, we're getting very, very bullish indications here. You want to rip this thing higher. I think we're gonna end up going long here. We're gonna, I'm gonna wait because I think they're gonna push this. They're trying to trap right now. I think they're gonna push this price back down here to these levels. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna take the long just yet. I'm not gonna take the long yet because we haven't gotten any manipulation yet. I want to see some red diamonds before going long. Right now, the only thing I've seen is green diamonds. Blue diamonds, that means they're manipulating to the upside. I'm going to wait for them to roll over to go long. I think they want to sweep this level to then drop it. I think that's what they're going to do. They're going to sweep this level, then drop it. I think that's what they're going to do. Yeah, after they take out this level, they're going to drop it. That's what I think they're going to do at least. You could push it up to 760 before dropping it. If they drop it. We'll see. Do I trade on Sundays? Not much. Just a trade here and there with eval. I don't trade any funded accounts on Sundays. All right, let's see what they do here at the 756 level. Yeah, it looks like they're going to want to rip this thing higher. Nice bounce off that VWAP. You want short the money? Just watch what they do because there's a power long here, 2 power longs in a row. There's one forming on the 5-minute right now as well. So if we do get a pullback, I'm probably going to take profits pretty soon on it. They're going to hit 760 here first, it looks like. Double power longs, yeah, I wouldn't be shorting this. Yeah, depending on what they do here, I'm going to close out and go long. At the 760 level. Yeah, you don't want to short double power longs. You do not want to do that. They bounce right off that VWAP like No joke. Yeah, another high volume candle. If they can keep price above this high volume candle, it's a ripper to the upside. They can retest it really quick. You can retest it and then go from there. If they retest the bottom of this candle and they hold it, they're going to hold this level and keep going higher. If they can break below it, then it's going to come back. Watch 754. Come on, baby. What you going to do? We're up in the GC. GC is ripping again. Let's go. You gonna wait to 781 or close to it? Yeah, I want to see what they do here right now, Eagle. If they can keep price above this level, they're gonna go higher. They just try to push it up here with some decent volume, and we got a doji candle on it. Let's see what they do on this next candle. Oh, no worries. Trade like Maestro. How are you? Yeah. Watch this. If we get the absorption on this candle or the next one, that could be the move. If they keep this price above here, this is gonna rip. Yeah, I'm out of my shorts, guys. Took a small loss on a short. I think this thing's just gonna keep ripping. Like the Eagle said, probably to the 780s. The Chinese market, says Joey. Yeah, we are brave. Come for a quick and, man, need 100. Yeah, this thing's gonna, I think this thing's gonna maintain this level right here. If it maintains this level right here, it's gonna keep ripping to the upside. If it breaks underneath here, like it's looking like it wants to do right now, if this is an absorption candle, this thing's gonna dump. Let's see what they do here. Okay. Yeah, I think they can now bring the price down to this 730s. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. If they can break through here, this is going to be pretty dumpy. Let's see what they do. They could squeeze sellers here too. Yeah, the sellers are trying to absorb this level right here. If they can get price below 754, they're going to go to 730s. I believe they will. It's too slow and it scares you, Joey? Yeah. When it's slow like this, they can move markets in any direction. Yeah, they still haven't broken this level here. As long as they stay above this thing is going to keep going. Low liquidity, yeah. They could be putting in a short squeeze and just bringing this thing higher and higher and higher. That's what it's looking like. Possible. That's why you stick to NY? Smart man. All right. So far, I like what I'm seeing here on the high volume candle right there. Seeing this absorption candle right there. Even though they could be putting in a short squeeze, if this thing breaks this level, then it's gonna give us a tumble here into the 730s, I'm thinking. If they keep it above this level, then there is no short. Yeah, to me this looks like they're just holding it, holding it, holding it. Love being here with the smooth tang though. That's what's up, Joey. I'm glad you like being here, brother. We love having you here too. Let's see if they hold the 750s. So we got a nice power short here. We got the manipulation to the upside. We got absorption, and then we got a power short. So let's see if it breaks through the 754s. Let's see if they can do it. They could bounce from here. If they bounce from here, it's a wrap. You going long for 5 points, trade like Maestro? Okay. Yeah, 754 could be a bounce area. What's up, Ephraim? How you doing, brother? Got a little buyer absorption right now. They could be trying to hold this level. If they bring price above 761, which is right in here, they're going to push this thing higher if they do. Still haven't seen any manipulation to the downside. We only have manipulation to the upside right now. So that's why I'm thinking this thing is going to be pushing down sooner or later unless they want to squeeze shorts first. They could be trying to squeeze the life out of shorts before they drop this thing. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. ATR is only 4.1 right now. Be careful with that. This was expected here at this level, 754. Nice. Yeah, they're trying to sweep this level. Watch it here. Non-stop ripper. Yeah, they are holding this level. Yeah, they did not break this level. They're holding it. So as long as they hold it, this thing's just going to go higher. Let's see. We got 760s, 766. They just swept a little high right here. Nice job. Trade like Maestro. Good job. Deltas are low each side. Yeah, deltas are a bit low here. You guys have a 5 to 10 second delay. Make sure you hit the live on your screen. I'm going to turn the DVR off. The DVR should fix a lot of your problems. Yeah, looks like they're going to keep going here. They're not ready to dump this thing yet. Getting close for it though. You buying me a drink? Thanks, man. I'm long 7 from 756. Nice, man. Good job, Eagle. Yeah, I'm looking for my long entry, man. I really want to get down here for a long, but looks like they're not going to. Yeah, the level was on. That level was really good. This level here was definitely the make or break, and it looks like they intentionally bounced right from it. It should have been a little bit higher. It should have been right there. He bounced right from it. Let's see what they do now. Delta's starting to get heavy here on this candle. Let's see if the sellers can actually make it go. Yeah, Eagle don't play, dude. Eagle does not play with his sizing. Let's see if they start pushing her down now. We've got a big green wave, so I'm looking for longs, but I want the price to come down here and put in some red diamonds before going long. Let's see if we can do that, because that'll be the real move. The real move comes when they put in the manipulation first. I just have not seen that yet. Looks like they just want to have a slow grind on a short squeeze on a Sunday evening. He doesn't play. He failed. Yeah, they're going to grind this thing higher. They're just going to grind higher for now. They're putting in another power long signal. Damn, they're ripping. I wouldn't go long after a big move. I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm waiting for that pullback. Hopefully we can get that soon. I'm going to be trading minis, obviously, especially with a 4 ATR. Delta's getting a lot heavier now. You guys can see here. Okay, we got a red diamond now. Let's see if they don't start absorbing it right now, because if they do, then we got to consider this for a possible long. Let's see, where's our daily open? Right down there. This is the second biggest delta candle the whole session right here. The biggest delta candle was here at 603 to the downside, and now we got another one here at 652, and it's pretty big. It could be a shakeout to continue price even higher, or if the sellers really start stepping in now, which I'm thinking they could, they can push this thing down to the 30s. If they break this level, oh, it's going to get dumpy. Things are going to get dumpy here if they do. retest the all-time high at 816? I don't know about tonight. Maybe tomorrow. Anything's possible though. What's BTC? What's GC? Chopping our entry level. Bitcoin's ripping a new one. All right, let's see what they do here at 755. Okay. I see a delta trap. I see the absorption. I see the manipulation. I think we're going to, if we break 755, it's going to get heavy. It could get heavy. Good Sunday so far? Good, Eagle. I'm glad to hear that, bro. What's up, Thanasis? How you doing, man? Guys, take advantage. If you guys haven't heard, we are going to discontinue the free 3-day trial starting the October 1st. But if you guys want to activate that free 3-day trial to our trading system here, the Smooth Trader Concepts, make sure to activate it before October 1st to lock in your 3 days. The link for it is down below in the description of this video or pinned in the chat, either place. All right, let's see if we break this level. Keep your eyes on this level. You guys like Billy Ocean? And Billy Ocean's the man, dude. Billy Ocean's got some good songs. Let's see if we get absorption on this candle. If we get absorption here again, yellow absorption by the bulls, they could be holding this level and bringing this thing even higher. You're about to write that? Yeah. Billy Ocean is the man. Short from 756, TP 735. Nice, man, nice. I like Eagle's conviction. Yeah, they're playing here. They're playing here. Be careful. No more love on the run. Let's see. They might have a small breakdown from here. If they have a small breakdown, they could always rip it back in because they're probably going to do this. They're probably going to dip it a little bit, hit the overnight high, come back here, retest everything, and then maybe bring it down to this box. That's what I'm thinking. That's my trade idea. Just breaking. Very difficult to trade this session. You just gotta be patient. Just gotta be patient and trust the process here. Let's see if they break 755. Let's see if they break it. Break it with some conviction. Delta right now looks favorable for the bears, but anything can change. Yeah, they're bouncing right off that 755 right now. They're bouncing off of it. Ooh, they just gave us a power long. Let's see what happens. Yeah, they might be able to hold this level. This is going to be a tough one. They're just holding this thing, aren't they? Yeah, they're just playing with our emotions right now. Be careful, because this level is the make or break. They might dip it under here and then bring it right back up to it. Looks like they're holding it right now. Looks like they're holding it. Volume's kicking in for the bulls. Big volume's kicking in for the bulls there. Let's see if that was just a fake out. Let's see if they break 755 now. Tapped out. Damn, Eagle. You got the next one, brother? Let's see if they continued trying this level at 755. This could have been a fake out here, liquidity grab. If they test 755 again, I think a good chance they could break it this time. Did you long it? No, I haven't logged anything. Haven't longed anything. I want to long it. I want to long it after we break this level, because I think they're manipulating right now, and I want to see them get down to here. I'll long it here for the runner, for like leaving the trade run for the rest of the session maybe. That's what I'm waiting for. Right now, I really do think they want to entice these bulls back up. I could be wrong. We did get a manipulation candle right here. I just want to see him break this 755 level right now. This could have been a manipulation candle down. We did see absorption happen right here. Tiny little doji absorption. That's why I don't really think this is the real deal. I think they're just trying to manipulate right now. We'll see though. They're going to probably sweep this level right here at 763 first before dropping it if they do. See a power short developing. Bitcoin, another big long candle? Really? Wow. Yeah, Bitcoin is just going. She's like, I've been held down long enough, damn it. Yeah, 3,000 points from down here. I saw that. I saw that too. Let's see if they keep the price under 764. Yeah, this thing could close red. This candle could, another absorption candle, 2 absorptions in a row. 741. Yeah, they're holding 755 pretty good. Yeah, they're squeezing right now. They're squeezing shorts, it looks like. They did keep price right above this level right there that we were looking at. Just waiting. All right, there goes the manipulation. If this candle absorbs, then this thing could... If this candle absorbs, or they break this candle right here, if they break the low of this candle, they're going to retest 755 if they could break the low of this candle. And they're breaking it. Let's see if they can close under it. Let's see what they do here. They might be going for it. All right, they're pushing. They're going to retest the 755 level, looks like. I'm loaded up on this short right now. This thing could really go. If it breaks 755, good chance we're going to break this VWAP too and go to 730s. You got this, Eagle. You got this, brother. Let's see if they push this thing down to the 755s. Sweep this level. Let's see if they do it. Got absorption again. Got the buyer absorption level there. Let's see what they do. ATR now is 3.6. Why can't we see the trade? The trade is over here. The trade is right over here. That's my trade. But I keep it here because this is where the indicator is. I got my first TP at 755. Let's see if we can get it. We got a power long signal here. That's not good. That's not what I want to see. I want to see a sweep of 755. If we can't get that, then I'll close out my trade at 765. Smooth, have you seen Bitcoin and Turkey's currency? The all-time high is insane. No, I haven't seen that. Haven't seen it. Yeah, my short position looks like this. 759. This will be my stop. If we can get this, this is what I'm thinking. I've got a TP. First TP is 755. Let's see if they'll give it to us. If we break this level here, it's going to retest VWAP next if we do break that level. 1 minute. 1 million? Really? That's crazy. No, I have not seen that. Come on, come on, baby. Tap our 755 level. Tap that 755. Come on. Just tap it gently. Tap it gently. Tap it, baby. Tap it. They're playing games here. They're playing games. They're holding at 755, man. Like it's life depended on it. I'm short, but I'm waiting for the long. The long is the move I want. That's the one I want to hold. The short is something I'm going to be taking profits on quickly. Looks like they're going to go back up now. Let's see if they break above this level. They got to hold this level. If they break above this level, then the short's going to be pretty much the short's not going to work out if they break this level. Am I going for an overnight long? I will, more than likely, because the market looks pretty strong. But we don't know. Anything can happen. Why don't I long off 755? Because I really think they want this level right here. So if they continue going higher here, I'll get out of it and I'll wait for them to bring it down. Right now they're putting in a wedge. Looks like a wedge right now. Come on, 755. Baby, come on, girl. Do something for us to get excited here. We need a nice long from down here. See if they'll break it. You think it'll happen, Eagle? Eagle's intuition is always really good. This 1000 tick chart might be giving us a really nice looking hammer to the downside soon. Break that 755, baby. Break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. Don't just sit there. Do something. Don't just sit there, girl. Do something. Start pushing. Like your life depended on it. Push like your life depends on it, girl. Stop bouncing from here. Do your job. Do your job, girl. Oh my God. Little Chinese guys, little Chinese dogs, man, they're all playing games with me right now. They're laughing at me. Little Chinese dog and the little Chinese guy, they're all laughing at me. They're like, ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. These guys are so mean, man. They're so mean. Yo, they're savages. They're savages, man. They are serious savages. That Chinese dog is crazy, man. That Chinese dog's a savage. They love that 755 low. They love it. You never order from their City Walk? That's why? Maybe that's why. That's probably why. Ooh, trading, man. Trading is not for the faint of heart. Not for the faint of heart. Short 10 now, average 759. Eagle, you're a savage. Come on. Come on, girl. Tap that 755, baby. Tap it. Tap it. Oh, come on. Yo, they're funny. They are funny. These little Chinese guys, they really know how to mess with me. They know how to mess with me. Yeah. Lucky Star is moving his stop loss to break even. You guys should not follow my trade. I'm just speculating here. They could do something out of this world and rip this thing to 770 right now. They're laughing at me. That little dog's laughing at me. I know he is. Deep down inside, he's laughing because I didn't get the duck. He said, this guy can't get any ducks. This 755 is like pulling teeth. It's like pulling teeth with the 755. Look at it. It's just sitting there. Literally just sitting on my order. Just sitting. It's like a brick wall there. It's just like, nope, nope, nope. We're not going. We're not going. Man, that dog knows, man. That dog knows. That dog knows. Yo, you gotta be kidding me right now. Yeah, if you're a market maker, you'd be laughing too. They're laughing at me. They're laughing at me. Them and their dogs are laughing at me. We have TP 750. Man, they're smoking crack right now. They're smoking crack. That's a high volume absorption candle, man. I might have to get out of this thing. I might have to get out of it soon. We'll see. Are they gonna give it one more wallop? One more wallop? Yeah, this thing's gonna run. Yeah, this thing's about to rip right now. 761 takes you out. Yeah, looks like they're gonna make this thing go, man. I'm gonna get 3 stopped out at 765 and another 3 at 770. If this thing starts going, looks like we're about to get a ripper to the upside. To be honest with you, we got a power long here. We got a man. That's how to get you out of your trade, dog. I will tell you. Tapped out. Watch them dump it now that they put in all these bullish signals. Because they're good at putting in bullish signals and then be like, haha, gotcha. Made you close out your trade. I need to see a red diamond before I believe this, but on a low volume night like this could end up taking me out anyway. But I don't believe in this move right now. I do not believe in this move. They're waiting for the people piling long here, and they're gonna dump it, I think. Don't let me influence your trades though, guys. Do not let me influence your trades, please. Do not let me do that to you. Man, that dog is laughing all the way to the bank with my sim money. Yeah, what you gonna do here, NQ? What's gold doing? Gold is still going sideways. Holy smokes. Bitcoin's probably ripping the new one. Bitcoin's going to all-time highs again. NQ cannot make up its mind where it wants to go. Oh, no, they're going higher, huh? Oh, no, they're going down now. Oh, man. I'm telling you, this is too funny. Too funny. The dog is just like, yeah. Dog got us, man. The dog got us. We got the red diamond now. We got a high volume counter to the downside, but that's closed as a doji, man. So if this thing keeps going higher, I'm really worried that they're just gonna push this thing. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, this is the tough one, guys. This is a really tough one. They really are playing with our emotions here, but they're making it very difficult. Very difficult here. Very difficult. They make you believe we're going up and cancel your short and then load the offer, bam. Yeah, that's why I told myself that I wouldn't flip flop in the trade. If I have a conviction, I'm either gonna hit my TP or they're gonna take me out. I'm not gonna flip flop from one side to the other because they did that to me on Friday, and I was short, and they made me believe like we're gonna go long. I went long and then they dumped it as soon as they made me think they were gonna go long. And so I don't want to fall for that again. You took a short on gold, Nasdaq? Yeah, we may get out of this thing. It still looks all right though. Yeah, what are they doing here on the NQ? What are they doing? Yeah, this is looking pretty strong to the upside now. I think they're gonna go higher. Yeah, I'm just gonna let them stop me out though. I'm currently short, but I'm going to get stopped out at 765. If it continues above 765, it's going to take half my position off. And then I might manually close the rest of it. Yeah, the upside right now looks really good for the NQ. This thing is probably going to rip. And I'll let it stop me out. Then I'll change directions if it does. If I like what I see. I just know that dog's going to start laughing at us again. What's the upside target if it goes up? Good question. Yeah, she's ripping right now, isn't she? The upside target on the NQ would be psychological level of 893. I think that was a previous high as well. Yeah, we got nothing but power longs right now on the chart. So it looks like they're trapping traders at 755. We're back above this level here now. So this is not a good sign here. Not a good sign. She just took half my position off. Let's see what they do now. Baby. Let's see what they do now here. If they hold this level, then I'm out. I'm closing the whole thing. Yeah, it looks like they were just trying to get people to go short there. Nothing but upside here so far today. Let's see if they hold 762. They gotta hold 762. If not, then they come down for 755 now. They're holding it. Yeah, I saw the power longs in the 5 minute. I guess they're just going to hold it from this level of 755. I guess they're just going to go from here. It doesn't look like they're going to bring it down at all. Not right now, at least. They're just holding it. Yeah, it looks like they're just going to go higher. Yeah, they are. All right, so we're out of our position. Yeah, I wanted to see a short to the downside, long it from here, but they are not leaving that 755 level alone. They are not leaving it alone. So I didn't know if this was enough manipulation for the market, but obviously it was. This here, followed by the absorption that happened right after that. That's all they needed. That is all they needed for that move. That's all they needed, man. It's all good. We'll wait for the next one. Don't get me wrong, guys. I'm long bias, but I just couldn't get into a long at these levels. I really wanted the long from down here. That's what happens when you don't trade what you see. You trade what you think. All right. Let's see what they do now. Got a big spike in delta here to the upside. Yeah, that dog really did laugh at me, man. They were just sitting on that 755 level, just like, ha, 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 ha. You're short 5 on oil, looking for 3K? Really? Oil looks like it's about to pop here. Oil's on the 5 minute. Looks like it's about to pop to the upside. Could be popping to the upside. Oops. All right, they're gonna dump it now. Is this when they dump it? I'm not not going to fall for it. I'm going to wait for them to come back down. If they come back down on their own, I want them to put in that manipulation candle underneath 755. Yeah, this is when they drop it. They wanted to sweep the whole thing again. Let's see if they break it. Let's see if they break it. Right now we only have green waves and green diamonds right now. They're still keeping this thing afloat. They're holding this level here. They're holding it. Let's see how long they can hold it for. That was a very optimistic trade, the short trade that I had on earlier. If it would have worked out, it would have been beautiful. They could still be doing it. But they always like to short from a higher level. This could be their... If they break this level here, then you might see a move down. You might be getting a absorption there. What's BTC doing? BTC might be coming back down. Yeah, they're holding this level. So far, they're holding it. They might be putting in a power long here. We'll see if it holds. These levels are pretty scary. It's pretty scary how they're holding these levels. That's really nuts. How's it looking, boss? We have 2 losses on the evening right now. We had a big trade on with 6 contracts earlier. That got stopped out. We wanted the price to come back down to 734, which I still think they want to do. But they just have a funny way of doing it. From here, this is my ultimate like longing zone. This is where I need to long from. That's where I would like to long from. Right now, it just keeps going with more power longs, more power longs. But we just put in a really nice high here. So I don't want to power long into resistance. I want to pull back, a significant pullback with some red diamonds like this. This is what I was waiting for, but this red diamond was a doji, so I didn't really like it. Let's see what they end up doing here. See if they push. If they push through this level here, we can try 753 again. You could try 755 again, I mean. Sorry. This time maybe they break it. High volume candle there. Let's see if they absorb it. If they absorb it right away, then that means they're trapping here. If they break this level here, we're going to 755 to retest that. If they absorb this candle, it's off to the races. If it gets absorbed, if you see a yellow candle form here, they're going to take this thing off to the races. Right now, it looks okay so far. Possible breakdown. Not, they could be trapping bears further. Very important level here, 761. Gold, huge volume. What's gold doing though? Is this going sideways? What's up, Lewis? holding it. They're holding it. Seems like everything is a bear trap at the moment. While they just go higher and higher and higher. Yeah, they're putting in more power longs here. This is a very, very strong market right now. At any point, though, I feel like they're going to just rip this thing down, grab liquidity from under 755, and then push them down to possibly 730s. I don't know when that's going to be, but I just have a feeling they're going to do it. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is putting in power short on the 15-minute. It could be coming down a bit. What's up, Cooled86? How you doing? It looks like they're absorbing. Buyers are still absorbing here. Buyers are still absorbing. Thank you, Cooled. I appreciate that, man. Yeah, if they don't break it down from here, this is going to be another short squeeze. If they maintain this level, it's going to be another short squeeze to the upside. These candles start to get absorbed, then it's probably worth longing at that point, because they're just not going to let their foot off the gas. What's up, Pawn? How you doing? Yeah, they're ripping. So far, they've been holding these key levels. So far, it's all being respected. Especially the 755 level has really been clutch. And then this level here that we put in earlier, this has been acting very strongly as well. Looks like some manipulation coming in here. A little bit of a push to the downside. Can they break it? They're breaking it. Let's see if they can close a candle below it. If they do, they're taking 755. Let's see if they'll take 755 now. See if they'll break it this time. Oh, they're holding this thing. You're holding her. Chinese dumper? Never know. Think we reject 800? Right now they're rejecting 772 or whatever high we just put in. They rejected it. They could be testing this. If we get rejected right now at this 761 level, we're definitely going to come and retest the 755 again. What's up, Matt the trader? How you doing? Tori saved the market? Yeah, she did, right? She did right there. Oh yeah, you like that? That's a good one. Surprised I haven't gotten any copyright strikes yet. I'll get them later. How is the dual streaming, both YouTube and mobile? We've been getting a lot more views, man. We've been cracking over 2,000 views during the New York session. And right now we've got a good amount of people on the 23 people right now. 676 views on the mobile side. And we've got 84 people watching right now. And 300 views. That's it. No, hit those likes. That's why you guys haven't hit those likes. We got way more on the mobile tonight than we did on the regular one, on the traditional horizontal one. It will grow, yeah, it will grow. Can't get any smaller. All right, we've broken down from this level. If we reject from 761, we haven't seen any absorption after this manipulation. So I'm thinking they could still bring this down further to 755 at least here. And if they do, there's also a VWAP right underneath that 751. We'll see. Right now they're pushing it back higher. What's up, Storm? What am I trading? This is the NQ. Nasdaq Futures. Yeah. Thanks, Pawn. All right, we got absorption here. This is going to probably pump to the upside now. If this thing closes this candle above this level here, these longs are going to come in. Yeah, they're getting strong here. Yeah, this power long is probably going to close out. This might be a good place to start looking for a long if we close above this level, above 762. Oh, she's dumb strong, huh? Oh yeah, this is strong, guys. This is gonna go. They're going now. All right, let's see if they take out that high. Unless that was just a fake out. We got the absorption right there. After the manipulation. After this manipulation right here. Let's see if they push it up to the 773 level. If this was fake, now they're going to bring us down to 755 and it's going to be hilarious. This will be hilarious if now they bring it back down to 755. This would be so typical NQ. See if they take out those highs now. Let's see. If this gets absorbed, man, I'm telling you, I think they're going to dump this thing hard if it gets absorbed. All right, still going. Let's see if they take out that high. Let's see if they take out the 774. Oh. Man, they're dirty. They are filthy animals. They are filthy animals, man. You see what they did? They put in a double top here. Let's see if they end up keeping this afloat up to the 774s, or are they going to dump this thing now on its head like they were trying to do before? Yeah, now they're coming with some volume to dump this thing. Let's see if they dump it now. They're gonna have to hold this level. If they hold this level, we'll be all right. If you guys are thinking longs, if they break this, they're gonna dump this thing hard. We'll see. Could be that bull trap. Yeah, it could be that bull trap for sure. Yeah, they could really want. Yeah, they're putting in that bull trap. Yeah, this is gonna be that bull trap, I think. They just absorbed really big right now. They could push this down to the 730s that we talked about earlier. This could be where they're getting ready to do that. Let's see what they do. This candle closes red, we'll put in a power short, and that thing is probably going to drop at least a 755. And if that breaks, then the 730s are definitely in play. And then that's when a good long will show itself. And we had the bears absorbing, then the bulls absorbing right after that. What manipulation? What manipulation? Take care, Joey. The oil long worked out? Yeah, the oil long did work out, huh? Yeah, you know why it worked out? I'll tell you right now why it worked out. This is why it worked out. We had a manipulation to the downside. Then we had the absorption right after that, right here. And that's why it went higher. Yeah, right now it looks like the market's still going to continue holding higher here. What are they going to do here? Are they going to hold this thing? Looks like they're going to hold it. Looks like they're going to go higher. Yeah, I think they're going to go higher. It really does look like they're going to go higher. Yeah, we had the manipulation. There's a red candle. Then we had the absorption right there. So I think now they push this thing to the 750s. I mean the 775. Sorry, we had 750s already. 775, and then we try a level up here. Maybe we battle this trend line. If they can break 775, we'll see. Gold popped. How are we looking on gold? Yeah, gold's popping. We have one, take one off at 38.04. We have this level up here on gold that we're keeping our eyes on. Let's see if the NQ can rip it. BTC looked like it wanted to drop. Now it's keeping still going. Okay. Let's see if it keeps going. See what they do here. See if they can keep going here. See if they can take out 780 next. $780 might be up next. Right up in here. You're short on 759? Oh, you're still short? You're holding that short? Oh, you're short. Oh, your TP 759. I think they're going to hit 780 here first. They could hit 780. We'll see. This is a high volume candle here. They have to keep it above this level to maintain this run. See if they go. They might really start squeezing now. Let's see. Retest this candle first. You should have kept your NQ longs. What's gold doing? Gold is coming. Gold is kind of chilling. Same thing, line in the sand here for gold, 79.90, 37.99. So they're gonna retest seven. They're gonna retest this level here. It looks like, guys, 771. Let's see if they hold it. See if they want to dump it. Yeah, they're cracking this level here. Let's see if they can hold 771. Gold might lose my combine. Yeah, gold is gold broke that level. Gold broke this level here. I would not be holding it if like this right here. Let's see what they do here. If this candle doesn't recover, yeah, it's most likely going to come down lower here, maybe sweep this 37.95 level. Looks like NQ held 771. What, 780? They might pop this to 780. Getting a power long signal. They could retest this candle again. They love retesting the same candles over and over again. But the 5 minutes are all very, very bullish. Yeah, they're going to retest it again. You'll look for longs if we break 792. You want to get long after 792? Am I in NQ longs? I have a long right now, TP 780. My stop's at 772. Right underneath here. Or 771. I have a TP at 780. I have one TP at 780. If it keeps going, then I'll trail one. It's getting stuck here. Looks like they're going to retest this candle more than likely. Market's really bullish, or they could try to squeeze these bears. ES broke on that 4 hour. We'll see if it decides to break about 792. Yeah, we got an absorption candle there. Huge absorption candle. Looks like they're going to take out the 771 now. This could be that short that we were waiting for earlier. That's what it looks like. Yeah, now the power short's coming in. Let's see if they start bringing this thing down. We got the absorption here. We got the absorption right there. I'm sorry, we got the manipulation right there. The absorption right here, and they're putting in a power short. Now, if they break this level here, 771, they're going to come back to retest all of these here. Let's see if that's what they want. Or is it they just want to come back and keep retesting these levels? Looks like that's all they want to do is retest these levels. I think we're going to break this though. I really do think we're going to break this here. Yeah, gold's starting to really dump. All right. I'm out of my longs, guys. I'm in a short right now. Stop loss up here. I'm going to take this. I got to go in a few minutes, but I'm going to show you my trade. I'm short here, and I'm going to take one off at 755 and let the other ones ride. It's going to be my trade right here. 755. And if we get stopped, it's cool. That'll be my last trade of the night. It won't be a very successful trading session, but it was an attempt nonetheless. If we get this trade, it'll make up for the other losses. We'll do well here. And I really do think we'll come down to 730s. We'll see. If I get stopped here, then this will be it for me. 735. $731. Market might be too bullish for any shorts here tonight. But if that's the case, then that's the case. $730 says cooled. Yeah, I think so. Tokyo Open. Yeah, Tokyo Open's right now. Let's see what they do here at the Open. Hopefully they take profit and blast it down. Maybe. Yeah, the tick chart right now looks super nice to the downside. It looks like we're getting that very nice move right now. Yeah, this trade is going to pay off for the other one. See, manipulation, absorption, signal, bang. Yeah, this one was No signal, no power short signal here. But this one is giving us the power short signal. Nasty wick from this area here. You see that? These levels are stupid important. Look at this. If they break this and they continue to put in more high volume candles like this, oh, it's gonna be a dumpathon. If they change this candle to positive, or the next one goes positive, oh man, it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad for my short. Yeah, we can't break this. If we break this to the downside, next level would be 762. Make sure you take profits, Cooled 86, okay? Wherever you think this thing could bounce from, make sure you take the profits. I got my stop still at 777. We'll see if we can get this thing to come down just a bit lower. There is a lot of support here at the 765 level. We'll see if they end up holding this thing. So far, they're holding it. Yeah, this is the Tokyo Open, right? Yeah, it looks like they're going to stop us out here if we go above 777, and we're going to be out. Yeah, make sure you took those profits when you're in profits, guys. I was holding for a bit longer. Still in it. If they respect this level, then we'll be saved by a hair. We'll see. They might just tick. They might just tick this. They might just tick this. They might just wick it. Are they gonna wick it, or are they gonna take the whole thing? Yeah. Yeah, they're savages here. They are savages. Oop, I can't have this on. I cannot have this on. Wow, what a candle, man. What a candle. Yeah. We're probably gonna put our stop loss right above that candle right there, and we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna call it a night. If they continue going higher here, we'll out of it and we'll call it a night, man. What a super pump tonight. Yeah. Yeah, they're really pushing this thing up higher. All right, that's it for me tonight, guys. I'm still in my short. My stop's up here at 782. If they continue bringing this thing down, great. If not, then yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I will be on tomorrow at 9:15. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning at 9:15. I'm gonna go spend some time with the fam, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care, guys. It's too bullish for shorts. Yeah, I agree. My stop's at 782. Goes back up there. I'm out of it. And right now, this candle is so super bullish. More likely, I'll get stopped out right now. All right, guys. Take care. I will see you guys tomorrow.